I received this product called Bee Repair a few weeks ago from Forest Foods, so I'm doing a review on it. Um, it the ingredients are beeswax, honey, almond oil, sunflower oil, and colloidal silver. Um, so all natural, no preservatives or anything, which I really prefer. Um, it goes on very smoothly. It's not sticky or thick. It penetrates my skin and yet leaves kind of a sense of a protective layer on the skin. Really good for the cuticles and for older skin like mine, some of the drier places. Can even rub it through your hair and it doesn't leave any sort of stickiness or oiliness. It just gives a little bit of shine. And they say it's particularly good for things like bee stings and sunburn and dry lips and such. Um, the packaging and the shipment was all excellent and swift as always, and nothing really negative to say about it. A little bit goes a long way, and the fragrance, very slight fragrance of honey, I suppose you'd say. So not really a strong smell at all. That's about all I can say. Thanks so much for listening.